Jeffrey Reyes po. Nagpapasalamat po kay Sir Jan, kay Sir Nick, kay Sir Jojo, at sa work ko po, at sa family and friends, nang ito support sila palagi sa akin. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat at yun.
Hey everyone, I'm Ken G. Bolio. And gusto ko papalamatan kayong lahat dahil sa inyong pagpunta at pagpunta dito. We really appreciate all your support. Really appreciate it. And also, I want to promote may upcoming product na ilalabas, which is the Daily Nut Peanut Butter. Ilalunch ko sa Wednesday. Sana abangan nyo siya sa Wednesday. Sa Wednesday ko siya ilalunch ko. Ano po, minamanage po namin ng manager yung peanut butter na yun. Tapos, sa FB page po, ang pangalan po ng brand po, Daily Nut Peanut Butter by Ken G. Bolio po. Also, gusto kong pasalamatan yung manager ko, si Sir Ed, my handler, si Rans, at yung makeup artist ko po, si Kuya Jojo po. And maraming salamat po.
Hello, good evening. I'm Armani Justin San Miguel, 21 from Baguio City. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng pumunta ngayon na nanood. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at natuwa kayo. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa mga manager ko, Russell Fabricante, tsaka King RJ Glamour. Thank you rin kay Mami Showy kahit wala ka, at least sinusuportahan mo pa rin ako. Thank you. So yun, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Salamat po kay Naim Volante Benz and to my supportive girlfriend. Hello, I love you.
May mention. Hello everyone. Ito nga pala si Mark Berlanco, galing Pangasinan. I'm 21. Una po sa lahat, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa mga audience sa mainit na suporta po sa amin. Lalo po sa judge at kay TV. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Precious Salandanan. First of all, I would like to thank my handlers for supporting them. And lastly, I would like to thank my mother for supporting me here in my pageant. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Geraldine Oya po. Thank you po kay Nanay Tina kasi alam niyo nagtakot ako sa mga tao, umarap sa maraming tao, pero ginawa ko pa din. Thank you po. Tsaka sa very ganda pala si Claire, si Brittany Claire. Thank you!
Hi everyone, good evening. I am Marilette, and I would like to thank my manager, Ms. Lizelle Barrientos, my makeup artist, Mommy Lihit, and my best friend Nix, and my boyfriend MJ for being here tonight. And also, I would like to thank my mom and dad. They're up there in heaven already, and I know they're so proud of me. And I would also like to remind everyone to appreciate your loved ones and never take them for granted. Thank you.
Good day, everyone! I am Penelope Francine Santos from the shoe capital of the Philippines, Marikina City. I want to thank my handler, Paul Diaz, and my best friend, Danray Purung, for coming with me and assisting me backstage. And I am very thankful that I have met these awesome girls and built a new friendship. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Angel Nobel Hilario Sulat and I am 19